So you've got an archive from my blog, let's unpack and see what we can do. Here you can see an application, library and some example data. Let's arrange it well. This is our neural network animation application. We have input picture, output picture, amount of neighbors, neurons in hidden layer, amount of iterations for animation generation, and functionality buttons. Let's train our network by embedded data. We've got about 2% error. I think it's quite okay error. If your error is bigger than 10%, I highly recommend to change input data or settings like neighbors or neurons. Let's apply our trained neural networks on some image like this. It's provided inside my archive. You can see that inside the folder of an application was generated some additional images. Let's see it. You can see the progress of neural network, some interesting results. We can also change settings in my program to see what's gonna happen. Let's increase amount of neighbors and decrease probably neurons for 5. Train again. We've got error and apply. And same picture, don't forget. Run. Here you can see that our result is quite different. We see plus growing and picture is different from what we've got before. You can also change neighbors to 1, neurons to 2, train, and run again. Something like this. Also, you can find additional training set inside this folder, like ray in and ray out. You can use your custom input images by dragging and drop image directly in the icon, like this and this. Don't forget that input and output image should be same size and should be not too big, because it takes a lot of CPU time to render. Let's train with neighbors 2 and neurons 7. Train. It's quite small error. And apply on same data, like run. Let's see what we've got. Here you can see some quite interesting result. Look like terrain generation or something like this. Also, you can open neural network or save your neural network after training. That's it. Thanks for watching.